Imagine your computer with different files storing all kinds of information, from text, pictures, music and more. And not only does your computer store this information, it can handle it in many ways. From recalling the information to adding the information to other files and apps, where we can use that information to our advantage. Now, as well as computers storing and handling information, living cells also store and handle information in their very own special way. And whilst your computer will store information in the form of USB sticks and C drives, etc., all living cells, no matter what kind of animal or organism it belongs to, all store their information in the form of DNA. It's as if each cell has its own built-in library with all the information inside of there needed for life. And here's the fascinating part. This DNA is made up of a specific set of building blocks, sort of like how computer data is made up of ones and zeros. But instead of ones and zeros, these building blocks are A, T, C, and G. They are like the DNA's very own alphabet. These blocks are strung together in a long, twisty structure, kind of like a very tiny, complicated-looking necklace. Now, the amazing thing about DNA is that it's completely universal. It exists in every living thing on the planet. And what's truly amazing is that you can take a piece of DNA from a human cell and place it into a bacterial cell, and that information will still make sense to the bacterial cell. And vice versa. We can take DNA out of a bacterial cell and put it into a human cell, and the human cell will make sense of that DNA. It will indeed be able to fully understand and read that DNA code. It's like creating some information on one computer, saving it to a memory stick, and then transferring that memory stick to another computer which can read all of the information on that memory stick that the previous computer had created. So scientists have developed ways to read and understand this DNA code. They can decipher the entire sequence of these building blocks in a DNA molecule, which can be incredibly long, in fact millions of these building blocks long. By reading this sequence, scientists can figure out what makes each living thing unique and how it works. So even though living cells and computers are very different, they both share this amazing ability to store and process information in their very own special way.